Struggling to stay on top of your spending? If you're constantly swiping your card and wondering where your money went, this one's for you. Using debit or credit cards can feel almost too easy. Swipe, tap, done. But that convenience, it often leads to overspending, especially when you're not tracking every transaction. Here's a simple but powerful solution. Use cash instead. At the start of each week or month, take out the exact amount of money you've budgeted for categories like groceries, gas, or fun. You can use the cash envelope system. Just divide your cash into envelopes for each spending category. When the envelope is empty, you stop spending. It's that straightforward. Unlike cards, cash has a natural limit. You can't spend what you don't physically have. It forces mindfulness. It's visual, it's tangible, and it works. Studies even show that people tend to spend less when paying with cash compared to cards. It creates a little friction, and that's a good thing. Want to take it a step further? Track your spending and plan your budget with my Ultimate Budget Planner. It's designed to help you see exactly where your money is going and how to stay in control. This small switch, going cash only, can lead to a major mindset shift. You'll be more intentional with your money and start seeing real progress towards your financial goals. Ready to take control of your spending? Try using cash this week and see the difference. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and check the link in the description for the Ultimate Budget Planner. Your future self will thank you.